Hi everybody, today I'll tell you about cryptocurrencies at all, what it means, and other interesting things. Cryptocurrency or crypto is a collection of binary data which is designed to work as a medium of exchange. Individual coin ownership records the storage in a larger, which is a computed database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creditation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Cryptocurrency are general fiat currencies. Uh, as they're not backed by convertible into commodity, some crypto chains use validators to maintain the cryptocurrency. It's a proof of work stake model. Owner put up their tokens as collateral. It returns they get authority over the token in proportion to the amount they stake. Generally, these token stakes get additional ownership in the token over time via network fees, newly minted tokens, or other rewards mechanisms. Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form like paper money, and it is typically not issued by a central authority. Cryptocurrencies typically are decentralized control as opposed to a central bank digital currency CBDC. When a cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to issuance or issued by a single issuer, it is generally considered centralized. When implemented with decentralized controls, each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typical blockchain, that serves as a public financial transaction database. A cryptocurrency is tradable digital asset or digital form of money built on blockchain technology that only exists online. Cryptocurrencies use encryption to authenticate and protect transactions, hence their name. There are cryptocurrencies, over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies in the world, and many see them as the key of the fairer future economy. Bitcoin first released as open source software in 2009. It is first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since the release Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have been created. So I need to check something. 1 minute. 1 second. Looks like good. Okay. History. In 1983, the American cryptographer David Chang convinced an anonymous cryptographic electronic money called Ycash. Later, in 1995, he implemented it through DigiCash, an early form of the cryptographic electronic payments which requires user software in order to withdraw notes from a bank and designate specific encrypted keys before it can be sent to a recipient. This allowed the digital currency to be untraceable by the issuing bank, the government, or any third party. In 1996, the National Security Agency published a paper entitled How to Make a Mine, the cryptocurrency of anonymous electronic cash, describing a cryptocurrency system first published in an MIT mailing list, and later in 1996 the American Law Review. In 1998, Day published a description of B-Money, serialized as an anonymous distributed electronic cash system, shortly Sir after Nick Szabo described BitGold, like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that would follow it. BitGold, not to be confused with the later gold-based exchange. BitGold was described as an electronic currency system which required users to complete a proof-of-work function with solution being cryptographically put together and published. In 2009, the first decentralized cryptocurrency Bitcoin was created by presumably pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto. It uses SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function, in its proof of work scheme in April 2011. Namecoin was created as an attempt at forming decentralized DNS, which would make internet censorship very difficult. Soon after in October 2011, Litecoin was released. Mm, it used script as a hash function instead of CHA. Another notable cryptocurrency, Peercoin, used a proof of work proof of stake hybrid. On 6 August 2014, the UK announced its treasury had commissioned a study cryptocurrencies and what role, if any, they could play in the UK economy. The study was also the report on whether regulation should be considered. His final report was published in 2018 and issued consulting on crypto assets and stablecoins in January 2021. In June 2021, El Salvador becomes the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender after the Legislative Assembly has voted 62-22 to pass a bill submitted by President Nayib Bukele, classifying the cryptocurrencies as such. In August 2021, Cuba followed with Resolution 2015 to accept Bitcoin as legal tender, which will circumvent US sanctions. In September 2021, the government of China, the single largest market for cryptocurrencies, declared all cryptocurrency transactions illegal, compelling a crack down on cryptocurrencies that had previously banned the operation of intermediaries and miners within China. So that was all I want to tell you about crypto. We'll continue in the next video. There will be other interesting things. So have a good day.